Hi guys, how are you? I hope everyone is doing good. In this recipe, I've chosen to use abalone to make a delicious pasta. Not only delicious, it was quick and super easy to make at home. So, let's get started. You can turn off the heat by leaving some of pasta juice or stir it a little longer to make it supple and dry. The aromatic from chopped parsley provided a nice bright flavor, amazingly delicious. It was so good. So I hope this recipe will bring an inspiration for you guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you soon.